So what is the highest power of 5 that divides 2017 factorial? What is the highest power of 5? No, 5 power what, right? 5 power something, right? 5 power x. This is the highest power which divides 2017 factorial, not 2017. Just now we did the process, the same thing asked in a different manner. How many 5s will get in the prime factors form of 2017? 1 5 it will divide, 2 5, 5 into 5 also divides. 5, so what is the highest power? 502. Understood? So in fact, not only for 5, suppose if you want 3, we can do the same scanner technique. So therefore the idea is 2017 you are dividing by 5, right? This is called as integer, greatest integer function or quotient. So this is integer. 2017 by 5 gives what? 403 point something, right? You take the integer, or in long division you get the quotient. What is this 403? First 5s you are getting, right? Then you are collecting 2017 by 5 squared. This is going to give a quotient or integer. What is this actually? This is your 403. This is your 80, correct? Understood or not? Then 2017 by 5 cube. Then 2017 by, in fact you can add 5 power 5 and all. This is going to give you 0. This is also going to give you 0 because this is crossing. Understood or not? So you have a formula actually if you want to know the highest power of 5 in 2017 factorial means it's going to be 2017 by 5, then 2017 by 5 squared, 2017 by 5 cube. So this will be given like a formula. Suppose you have n factorial and you want something like k, n by k squared you are collecting. But actually what is this? This form? Nothing but the scanner technique. So you are going after the initial 5s and second 5s, extra 5s, third 5s, fourth 5s and that. This is how the formula has been written. Are you able to understand?
This is also GP.
Eh?
So it's GP.
This is not GP.
Hey, we pull the 217. Get 1 by 5.
What?
You can for the 200.
Yeah. No, that is not GP, geometric series, because you put the greatest integer function. Understood or not? So it's changing. You are not actually 2017 by 5 and 2017 by 5 square, 2017 by 5 cube, 2017 by 5 power 4 and all geometric series. But you are actually taking the sum, you are getting 403 points something, so you take 403. Here you will be getting something 80. Obviously you can see actually if you take without integer function, this into 1 by 5 should give you this. But actually 403 into 1 by 5 is not 80. Understood or not? So this is what actually this quotient is like. You are seeing how many multiples of 5 are there in 2017. First 2017 numbers. Then how many multiples of 20. Why are you doing that? You want to see in the prime factorized form of this factorial how many 5s are there. Are you able to understand?